Once the learners have some initial movements, your choreography can be developed further using some simple techniques. Start by asking children to choose just one of the movement phrases or motifs they developed earlier. Develop teamwork and collaboration by sharing and teaching their motifs to others in a group. Explore different ways to perform the motifs in pairs or as a group. You can encourage them to think about moving in unison, Canon, which means one after another, mirroring one another, or contrasting with each other. You can use repetition as a choreographic device by choosing a first motif, which the group will label A, and a second motif called B. Perform these in a sequence of A, B, A. Learners can make independent creative choices about how it is presented, for example, music, rhythm, or silence. They could think about including poetry or text, costumes or props to bring their performance to life. Present the pieces to each other and encourage the learners to evaluate and give constructive feedback. Some self-reflective questions for feedback could be: does the order of the movements make sense and tell a story? How does it begin and end? Is there stillness in the piece? Why? Is there a dynamic build-up or slowdown in the piece? How do they transition or link between movements? And how does the dance work as a whole?